Welcome to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I will teach you how you guys can find Costco promo code. So follow the step and you should be able to find it as well. And before I show you the steps, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for this website called Coupon Follow. And once you search for Coupon Follow, the first option over here, you want to click on it. And it's going to take you to couponfollow.com, which is its official website. Now once you're in its official page, at the top right where it says search, you want to click on it. And over here, you want to write Costco. Once you do that, it's going to show you Costco.com. You want to click on it and then it's going to show you all the promo codes available for Costco. Now from all of this, choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this one, the first option over here where I can get $10 to $20. So I can click on show coupon code and then it's going to show me the coupon code. Now I can just copy it and during my checkout time in Costco.com, I can apply this promo code and I can receive $10 to $20 worth of digital shop card at Costco. So yeah, that's how you guys can find Costco promo card. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.